pizza that wasn't his Pablo's family ordered a medium pizza for dinner. When the delivery person arrived, he handed over an extra large pizza with all their favorite toppings. Pablo's stomach growled. It looked amazing. His little sister cheered. "We're so lucky!" But Pablo noticed the receipt had a different address. Pablo could have kept quiet. His family was already setting the table. Instead, he took a deep breath and told his parents about the mistake. "We should return it," Pablo said, even though he really wanted that pizza. They walked 3 houses down and knocked on the door. A boy Pablo's age answered, looking disappointed. "Our pizza never came," the boy said sadly. Pablo handed over the box. "I think this is yours." The boy's face lit up. "Thank you so much. I'm Alex. Want to come play soccer tomorrow?" Pablo smiled. He'd found something better than free pizza. He'd found a new friend. Sometimes doing the right thing gives you exactly what you need.